Looking to keep your car looking brand new in 2024? From that showroom-like shine to a spotless interior, today we're diving into the best car cleaning products of 2024. We've handpicked top-notch products reviewed by the experts to help you achieve professional-level results from the comfort of your driveway. Keeping your vehicle clean isn't just about looks. It's about resale value, mental health, and overall car health. A well-maintained car lasts longer and makes every drive more enjoyable. So let's jump into the top products that can help you get there. First up, Best Car Wash Soap. The Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam. This foam is an absolute game changer, providing a thick, sudsy wash that's tough on grime without harming your paint. Just a few pumps into a foam cannon or bucket, and you'll see why it's a fan favorite. With a price range from $10 to $40, depending on the size, it's both effective and budget-friendly. Customers rave about how easy it is to get their cars looking immaculate with this product. Definitely a must-have for anyone serious about their car's exterior. Next, we have the Best Interior Cleaner, the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner. This is a versatile product safe on every surface, from leather and vinyl to glass and plastic. Plus, it's affordable, ranging from $10 to $55. For the price, it really gets the job done. Our testing showed it lifts dust, fingerprints, and grime without leaving streaks or residue. If you want a fresh-smelling, spotless interior, this is your go-to. Let's move to tires with the Best Tire Shine, the Chemical Guys TVD 107. If you love that glossy, just detailed look on your tires, this is for you. It's simple to apply and leaves your tires looking like new without a greasy finish. 5-star rating, it's priced between $10 and $55. Our tests found it holds up well, even through rain, making it a solid choice for that flawless, polished look. Last but not least, the Best Microfiber Towel, Mr. Seeger's Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. These towels are absorbent and durable, making them perfect for drying, buffing, and polishing every surface of your car. At just around $13, it's a small investment for a huge payoff. And remember, microfiber towels are a must for preventing scratches and streaks on your car's paint. Now, if you're wondering how to get professional results, here are a few quick tips. 1. Start with the exterior. Always wash your car from top to bottom to avoid spreading grime from the dirtiest areas. 2. Dry with microfiber towels. Regular towels can scratch paint. Use a microfiber towel like the one from Mr. Seeger to safely dry your car. 3. Use tire shine. Last. Save the tire shine for the end and apply it carefully to avoid sling onto other areas. 4. Avoid direct sunlight. Always work in the shade, as sunlight can dry products too fast, leaving spots and streaks. By following these tips and using quality products, your car will not only look great, but maintain its value over time. There you have it. The best car cleaning products for 2024. Links to each product are in the description, so grab what you need to give your car that stunning professional-level shine. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite car cleaning hacks. Thanks for watching. Keep your ride looking its best with the right products, and we'll see you in the next video.